How to add Ticketmaster tickets to Seatgeek.
The very first thing you want to do is to open any of the web browser and then move into the site seatgeek.com. Once you're in here, log into your specific account. Enter your email address and the code that will be given to you. Click on confirm and then sign into your account. It will land you on this interface. Scroll upward and in the top right corner, click on your profile and then click on tickets. All of your tickets will appear here. Click on the specific ticket that you want to transfer. This interface will pop up once you click on your tickets, and the option of send will be visible to you. All you want to do is click on it. Now what you want to do is click on your Seatgeek account. Over here you can select the quantity of the tickets. Once you have selected the quantity, click on send one ticket. And then your ticket will be transferred to Seatgeek.
So that's it, and this is simply how you can add Ticketmaster tickets to Seatgeek.
I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.